So what do we have here?
The day has come that Angie gets her new car, so we're gonna go pick it up right now before she gets class and all that stuff. Peace. Howdy.
Howdy.
There it is. Se te anotan las placas plestas.
You're invited.
Carro nuevo. No happy. So close. So close.
It's Gatti.
Well, it's got defects, and they're gonna fix them. They didn't fix them because they didn't know. Stupid girl. At least they're gonna fix them.
Yeah,
For today. Hasta el ratito vas a estrenar.
I don't know if this makes sense, but you're my hallelujah. Give me a time and place, I rendezvous it, I fly to it, I beat you there. Girl, you know I got you, us, trust. A couple things I can't spell without you. Now we on top of the world, cause that's just how we do. Used to tell me sky's the limit, now the sky's our point of view. Yeah, we stepping out like, whoa, oh God, cameras point and shoot. Ask me what's my best side, I stand back and point at you. You, the one that I argue with, feel like I need a new girl to be bothered with.
Judging what's real hip-hop, half the time beat them album flop. You know who done sinking, it ain't left the dock. Come on, man, cause I'm hot, just man, cause he not.
Ya voy a llegar aquí a tu palanca de casa con
Number one.
de chorizo con
Yo, what's up? So we're at Angie's aunt's business. She has a nail business. See, sells the acrylic and paint, and I'm kind of in the back of the shop. I don't like being here. I do, but too much girl stuff, and the smell is like. Just kidding. Say no to drugs. It's too quiet. Too quiet. I'm retarded. I'm bored. Where'd you go, buddy?
good food to drink.
Now comes the long wait.
Yes.
Finally done. Two left. All these packed.
Perdón, chica, no sé qué pasó. ¿Están bien?
Yo. So, we're going back to go pick up the car. They told us at 4, it's almost 4. So we're about to take off right now. We're just gonna go pick up Angie. We're here in downtown McAllen, so we parked somewhere far because we don't want to pay in the toll booth or in the meter, whatnot.
Ay, Sol. Me mata, Sol. Sol. ¿Por qué me mata?
Close it.
So sweaty.
It's hot. Texas is hot. This is the only reason why I would like to live somewhere else, or at least have a nice car with air conditioning.
Oh, very nice. I like your new car, babe. No, it does look like an old people's car, but it's not. It's not old.
Oh hell no! Look at this. I can show it right now without plates. I don't have to blur it out. You like your car? This is my raggedy ass car.
No marcas.
Sí, te digo que
Your raggedy ass car, that's our car.
No, that's your car.
It's our car. Just like you said with the camera, it's our camera. It's our car.
Pero ¿qué dices tú? It's your bitch. It's your bitch.
Eventually I start calling her your bitch.
Pues
But
eventually
tú
I'm gonna
después
call
querías.
your Sancho.
Tú siempre querías, it's our camera. It's not only mine.
Sí, pero
it's ours.
¿y
It's ours.
qué me dices tú? No, it's your camera. It's your camera.
Because the camera, you
Your
do
camera.
use it.
Well, yeah, of course I use
So
it.
I'm not gonna use it, just only me.
You're gonna use it for school.
Only for that. The rest is you.
Me?
You're my chauffeur.
I'm ¿cómo se llama este? Jeeves?
Ay, voy a estar checando.
Gacho. Anda chiflada. You want me to go ask him?
Finally, my new car. Yeah. With aircon, finally. Gotta figure out the radio, but shit. These stuff my worries right now. Come with me like this.